What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, what you see here is money that I have made selling digital products. I'm going to show you everything you need to do, not only just selling digital products, skill you can learn for you to start making money online. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Now, if you know platforms like Fiverr and platforms like Upwork, right? These are where you can actually come to sell your digital services. Let's say you know how to create a website, or you know how to do certain things. You can sell or you can market yourself on all of these platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them. I'm going to also show, what I'm telling you in this video is you can actually also make money from your own, not even registering on all of this platform. Now, do I have an account on Fiverr and Upwork? Yes, I have an account. Do I make sales from the platform? I actually do, but is that the place I make majority of my money? No, this is just something I do by the side, right? And it has actually worked for a lot of people. Many videos will tell you start Fiverr, start Upwork. That is good, that is also perfect, but is it going to work for everybody? Not. It's not going to work for everybody. Not definitely. Okay, it's not going to work for everybody. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to help myself to make money, and then you can now take it up from there. Now, what do? I went to learn a skill. So I learned how to create a website, how to create digital products that's going to help website owners and everything related to helping people digitally. That's exactly what I learned, and I'm selling these services in form of courses, PDFs, and then in form of services, also rendering the services like creating a website, e-commerce website, any type of website to my customers, right? So all of these are potential ways you make money. Now, how do I make these sales, right? Because if you look at here, this is my pay stack, and if I go to this if I go to transactions, you find different transactions that are occurred on this account, right? So now, how do we make money from how do we make all of this thing? Like I said, I learned a skill, right? And not just selling the skill, I also learned different things while I was learning the skill, like SEO, optimization, and the likes of them. Okay, so you can actually learn a skill like website design, graphics design, anything that is actually good. Now, some of you might say, why don't you just teach us the skill, right? In my channel, this particular channel, I've been talking about how to create a website, different types of websites. So check out the videos I have there. It's going to help you totally, right? So now that you have the skill and you want to sell, or you have digital products, now don't forget, it's not only your services. You can actually sell digital products like ebooks. I'm going to show you one platform where you can get free PLR products. That means you don't even need to create this product yourself and sell. Okay, so that will be a bonus tip. Keep watching, I'm going to show you how. So this platform like Payhip, right? You can actually sell your digital products right here and your digital services. Payhip, as you can see, I say sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform, and it's free to sign up, right? So you can see, get started for free, and after that, you can now, after registering, you can now sell digital products, online courses, coaching, membership, physical products, depending on what you want to sell. Everything is right here on their platform, and they are going to help you collect payments, and that means you don't need to worry about payment, right? Payment to be sent to your bank account just as when due. Okay, and it's going to, in fact, with Payhip, they actually have a very unique feature where once somebody pays you $5 now, that $5 is entering your account. So it's not something you'll be waiting for payout. No, it's instant, it's immediate. You're going to be receiving your payments. So another fantastic one is Gumroad. You can actually sell your digital services or digital products right here on the platform Gumroad. As you can see, the amount of income earned by Gumroad Digital Entrepreneur last week. So as of last week, this is the amount of money earned by Gumroad Digital Entrepreneurs, which is amazing, right? It's amazing. So this is actually very good numbers, and it's huge. It's a lot of numbers, right? So as you can see from the platform, you're going to see here, it says go from $0 to $1. So if you have not earned any dollar, Gumroad is telling you can actually go from $0 to $1. Anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. And is it that easy? I think so, because with this platform you can actually make sales. And another good one for my people here in Nigeria, Africa, you can actually try out Selar. As you can see, the largest creator platform in Africa. The best way to sell your digital products online. You can sell with Seller and get your funds delivered into your account, just like you see my right here. Where's it got? Okay, just like you see my here. So it's actually very, very good, and it's actually something that you should be checking out. Check out all of this platform: Payhip, Gumroad, and Seller. You can actually sell your digital products on all of these platforms. So more things I want to show you is, one thing I want to show you is the free platform, or the platform, not the free, the platform where you can actually get free digital products that you can actually sell. So that platform name is called In Digital Works. So it's called In Digital Works, right? So if you go to indigitalworks.com, you're going to see thousands, more than 12,000, more than 10,000 digital products that you can resell. You have every right to resell it. As you can see, it says launch your own digital platform business by this weekend. So by this weekend, if you're interested, In Digital Works is telling you can actually launch your own digital products business and start making sales. And the best part is you can get started for free, right? You can get started for free. If I click on get started for free, I already have an account. So as you can see here, their free membership includes access to 330 plus free PLR products that you can immediately start selling. And their paid membership is this gold membership. Life is lifetime membership, right? So it includes lifetime unlimited access to all current 12,500 plus products and all future releases with no additional payments. So you get these 4 amazing bonuses: free hosting, 200,000 plus PR articles, 3D cover creators, and over 100k training. So these are, I don't want to keep reading a lot of these things, but these are things you get with each of their plan, right? So with the free plan, you can get access to more than 330 products, and you can actually start selling, right, to make your first money. So you can go, if you go to products, that's where you find all the products they have on the website. As you can see, they have ebooks, videos, so many other things that it's actually nice for you to know. And they have quality products, right? These products you can actually resell them. That's the most important one. Now let me go to one. Let me go to. Let me go to. Let me go to. Let me go to this. Do I want to watch video? Oh, no. So let me go to this. Let me go to this. Let me go to ebooks, right? So with ebooks, you have with these products, right? You're going to see this with private label rights, master resale rights, and you're going to see different types of rights. Now the one that works for you is the one you should go for. If you don't know what they are, just take it and ask Google, and it's going to explain definitely what they are all about. Okay, so this is the products right here, and we can actually use any of this one now for sake, or any I want to use them, right? So but you need to make sure you read everything to know exactly what to do and how to do it. So guys, I believe this was helpful. If you need digital products to sell, come to indigitalworks.com. If you are lazy that you don't want to create yours, indigitalworks.com already helped you create one. So all you just need to do is follow everything I've showed you in this video, and hopefully you're going to be able to start making sales for yourself. So thank you very much for watching. I sincerely want to see you guys in another video. So stay blessed. Thank you.